Hello and welcome back to one of my videos. Today I'm going to show you a trade I'm finally doing with PopTarteSlime, the lovely Eve, and here I'm going to be we're doing a £20 roughly mystery box swap. So I've got a 5-ounce raspberry slushy there, this 7-ounce Neapolitan cloud dough which comes with a topping, sprinkles, you see there it says topping for Neapolitan, some little sprinkles are really cute, and a little ice cream. So hopefully she'll have fun assembling that as a DIY slime. And then we have a popsicle slime here, and this is butter slime, and it's scented with orange, like fresh zesty orange. Should mix to make a very nice orange slime. So she and I became friends on Instagram. I reviewed a couple of her slimes, she got in touch with me. We both discovered that we're sort of old slimers, if you like, and we struck up a real rapport, and she's really lovely and her shop's amazing. I was so taken with her slimes. So another slime I thought I'd add, I'm not quite sure which one of these to add in. It's a 5-ounce, either Oreo cookie or this cinnamon toast. I think I'm going to go with the cinnamon toast because I remember she quite liked the charm, because I posted it on Instagram and she said that she really liked the charm. So there we go, we've got £20 worth of slimes that we're going to swap, and I hope she likes these. So I'm just going to package these up and send them off. But she and I talked about this for a while. We kept saying we must do a slime trade. We never got around to it. She's very busy, I'm super busy, so I'm giving her some extras here, some borax. Hope she likes that. And so I'm not really doing slime trades as such anymore, but seeing as she and I did talk about this ages ago, I thought I'm going to stick with it and go for it, because she's great. Eve's wonderful. Check out her shop, I'll leave the links below. So I'm just going to send this off and see what she sends back in return. We shall see. And it's arrived, yay! Oh, I can't wait. Let's see what's inside. Oh, so what's this? Oh my goodness me, look at the size of that. A giant strawberry gummy. I've never seen any gummy this big before. Wow. Fantastic. Thank you so much, Eve. Wow. And this looks like a packet of clay. Okay, that would be fun. I will have to try that out probably in another video. And I'm just going to zoom through opening all of these wonderful packages. Everything's really well packaged. Look at that, a gorgeous logo, and starting off with Mickey Mince. Okay, so I'm just going to open all of these and skip to the first slime. Before I do, here is her business card and a little candy inside. Thank you so much for that. Wow, so I've opened a ton of slimes, they're all wonderful, and I'm going to start with this one, lemon butter chunk. Wow, that looks fantastic. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah, it smells amazing. Like lemon and cake, but not too strong lemon like you find in detergent, and this is nice and smooth and buttery. So it's obviously a sleigh slime. So I'm going to take this out and assemble it. So there's this gorgeous little pot of what looks like a sort of chocolate syrupy. It smells the same, I think, as the lemon butter, and I'm just going to kind of drizzle it over the top as best as I can without taking that whole packet of add-ins with it. Okay, I think that looks super nice, ready to eat actually. And then I'm going to sprinkle in these sort of they look like pieces of sort of chocolatey sugar or something. It's really cute. And this wafer. Ooh, so nice. So let's dive in. By the way, if you see this Insta logo in the top left hand side of the screen, it means that I have put this video on Instagram, so go check me out at slime_screw_ball_ and see me there. Well, I really enjoyed mixing that. It was such a nice experience for a slime, and the end result is a lovely smooth butter slime. It smells amazing. So next up we have donut batter, and I'm so excited to open and mix this slime because it comes with this beautiful little clay donut. And I would say this doesn't really have a bakery scent as such, this slime. It looks sort of clayey almost, and it smells more like rum and raisin or pistachio, that kind of a scent. And it's really nice, I really like it, it's so unusual. So I'm going to mix that cute little donut into this slime. I don't want to let it go. Here goes. Wow, so although it's a shame to have mixed that really pretty donut ring into the slime, it's made for such a lovely, smooth, spreadable, pretty pink slime. I love it. Wow, so good. Really like that slime. Okay, so next up we have this 8-ounce Mickey Mince with some extra Mickey sprinkles. It's really lovely. Ooh. Yep. Wow, that smells of mint choc chip. And this feels really smooth and clay-like. wow, I love the feeling of this slime. It feels really different to the slimes I make. Wow, look at that. I don't know, I wonder if she puts any sort of clear glue into this mix, but it's such a nice slime to handle and I love all the rubbly pieces in it. So next up we've got this little generous extra of rainbow Mickey sprinkles, including the black sort of Oreo Mickey sprinkles mixed in. What a lovely slime, I love it. Okay, so finally, to conclude this wonderful package from Eve, we have this hollow glitter clear slime, and it's a 7 ounce, and look at that. It doesn't really have a scent, it sort of just smells nice, sort of like a soap maybe, but oh, look at that. This is definitely Elmer's clear glue she's used. And I love all the little extra sprinkles in there as well, and the hollow sort of blue glitter colour running through it. Oh, that is so pretty. I think it needs to be in sunlight, or just to pick out the holographic glitter. I might do a bit of that at the end, but it's so pretty, this slime, I can't tell you. I don't think the camera's picking it up quite right, but oh. Wow, look at that. I really enjoyed that slime. Super pretty. And here's a small piece of it in the overhead light in my dining room. You can see the holographic glitter sparkling away there. Lovely. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to the lovely Eve. Go check out her shop. I'll leave links to her shop and her Insta below, but don't forget to like and to subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!